Hi guys, DK388. Welcome back to another video, and today we're going to do some bit of DIY maintenance job on this pathway. As you can see, we've got some algae growth, so we're going to do some treatment on it. So we're testing this bottle pump, 9 litre, from Tool Station, I think. It's about £14 at the time of recording, so relatively good value for a small hand pump bottle sprayer. And then we're going to treat it with this Patio Magic. I think someone from work recommended it, and this is from Wix. It's about, how much was it, can't remember, it's about £22 top of my head at the time of recording as well. So it's a concentrated mix, so normal use will be 4:1, which what we'll try today. So ideally it needs to be dry weather for the next few days for it to work successfully. So just unboxing this, so it's all ready made. Got your little hand one there, so it's already assembled. So just attach the hand wand. The bottle pump itself seems good quality. You've got your little hand sprayer and hose. And it's got a strap, a shoulder strap, along with the pump and the pressure relief valve. So you can see there's some instructions for usage, and then attachments for the hand one nozzle, and then a scale for the volumetrics. So we'll give that a try. Just some basic instructions are not to over pressurize it, maximum of 25 pumps, and once done, just release the pressure and clean out. So we're going to use the normal mixture, 1 to 4. Make sure the weather is dry for a few days, as it wants to work as effective. And the treatment time, reaction time is 2 to 4 days, so we'll monitor that over the coming days in this video. So I put 1 litre of concentrated mix in, and then added 4 litres of water. So we'll give this a go now. And I'll attach the hand wand, which just simply inserts into the sprayer, and then it's got a little screw cap nozzle there to hold it in place.
Okay, it's clipped onto
So
that.
just do that off camera.
I'll do that off camera.
And this nice little feature as well, where you've got the hand pump, once depressed you can twist it, and it turns into a bit of a carry handle
Mechanism,
which locks into the top of the cap. So it's quite a neat, nice little feature as well.
it's a carry handle.
And the shoulder strap. Adjustable shoulder strap as well, and then there's a pressure relief valve, so when you're finished you can just release the pressure and clean out. So just give this a pump. Quick in the foot to pressurise the bottle, and just give this a blast. Might be a good idea to wear your gloves and then these shields, face shields as well, because it's a fine mist if you're using it on a windy day. So I'm holding it close down to the ground as well, just in case it blows up. So instructions said to saturate the hard paving well, so just give that a good coating. So I'll just try these 4 squares. These are 450 by 450, so as a rough estimate it's just under a square metre, just do this little section. So it's not going to take me long, and it's fairly easy to do. Give it a good coating. You can see the green algae there just building up. So this is like on the gable end of a house, so the dry verges where the roof is, just it drips onto the path and just build up of rainwater. So that's about a square metre done, which is about just under a minute, I believe, just to coat it. So Shouldn't take me too long to do the entire pathway. So here's some before and afters. 24 hours later, you can see the green algae sort of disappeared. So it's just left a bit of mould, the black mould, and then this is 72 hours later. As you can see, there's quite a bit of an improvement. So might do another second treatment, second coating. We'll see. But thanks for watching.